Hello everyone, welcome to OBS Studio videos. In this video we are going to see that how are we going to download and install our PC with OBS Studio software. And this could be a Windows PC, a Mac or a Linux system. The process is going to be same, and OBS Studio is a free to use software that is available to us for recording, capturing, streaming, etc. So let us see the process to download this. So first of all, you need to open up your Google browser and just simply type the query download OBS Studio. Now the first link that you get, make sure it is from the OBS Studio official website, obsproject.com. Click on that link. Here you will find different options, Windows, Mac and Linux. So just select your operating system depending upon your PC's operating system. So I'm just going to click on Windows and click on download installer. The installer would be downloaded in the form of an exe file. Just run it and install it, and that would run OBS Studio. It would automatically create a shortcut for you like this, and you can just double click on this shortcut to bring up your OBS Studio screen, something like this. That's how simple it is to download OBS Studio in your system. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.